Hi guys. So this topic has been highly requested by so many people in my inbox. I believe it's a very serious problem for most relationships out there. Okay, and that is how to have fresh breath all the time. Yes, I know very bad breath can kill the romance. It can kill the whole situation. You can even start avoiding the person. So anyways, I'm just going to give you my 2 tricks, okay, and then you can take it from there. You can come and thank me later because this will work for anybody who is out there. Okay, it's amazing. It's a perfect solution. It's very cheap and affordable for everybody that is out there, and you're going to love it. All right. So if you are new here, my name is Saidat Katende, and here on Vowsh, I help women to figure out their body issues and also to find ways how to solve those problems and also to fall in love with their bodies. So I don't know if you have noticed, I'm in a new house. So I'm trying to find the best position, you know, the best corner for me to do my videos. So let's just use this for a while, guys. Let's see how it goes. All right. So anyways, let me make this very short. First of all, you have to know that what is causing, sometimes you brush and after a short period of time, still you have bad breath, okay? And of course, there is also this breath whereby you eat like fish, meat. Yeah, guys, that also counts as bad breath because nobody wants to kiss you when you're smelling fish or you're smelling meat or you're smelling beans in your mouth, all right? So it's very important that you fix that every time you eat, honestly, yeah. Dentists actually recommend that you carry your toothbrush to work. Those are dentists. These guys have studied this stuff, so I'm sure they know what they're talking about. If you want to have a clean, fresh mouth throughout the day, all right? So anyway, here's the thing. You need to understand that what is causing the smell is the bacteria. You might brush, but then maybe you haven't brushed so well, and some of the bacteria stays, especially on your tongue. You see this tongue right here? You see that white stuff? If you still have that white stuff on your tongue, sometimes we get it when we sleep, sometimes after a long time when, you know, let me say people who fast, right? The whole day they're not drinking, they're not eating. Yes, there's a buildup of that bacteria on your tongue. So that is the bacteria that causes the smell. So what happens is that, you see my tongue, that buildup is not there. Because what happens is this, all you need is a scraper. Okay, in Africa, it's very difficult. This is how a scraper looks like. And in Africa, it's very difficult to purchase scrapers because, first of all, tongue scrapers, we don't know where we can buy them from unless you buy online and they ship it to you. It's quite a tiny product to be shipped. And we all know how shipping is very expensive. So anyways, I don't know. I want to show you that you can use your toothbrush. Where the fuck did I put my toothbrush? Oh, God. 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. So what you need, since we don't have, if you don't have access to a tongue scraper basically scrapes all that bacteria off your tongue so that you can have a completely whiteless tongue. All right. So what happens is that you can use a toothbrush and also glycerin. I don't know, most people, I know you can access it from pharmacies, it's everywhere, or supermarkets. All right, it comes in different forms, like this is the teeth and gum defense, but also all those other types can work amazingly. Now all you do is after you brush, dry, like, you know, after you are done brushing the whole process, just get this and just do this on your tongue, like, you know, like you're scraping your tongue over and over again so that all that bacteria can go off. Then get some little glycerin, put it in your mouth, gargle and spit, then put some little more, and or you can just put it in maybe a small dish or anywhere and just dip your toothbrush in it and then scrub your tongue properly, okay, using the glycerin. I guarantee you, for anybody that's out there, your mouth is going to be fresh the whole day. If you eat, like I said in the beginning of the video, all right, those foods that leave a stench in your mouth and you are not drinking enough water, usually if you eat those foods and you're drinking enough water, that smell kind of disappears over time, okay? But of course, most people are not water drinkers, so that is fine. All you have to do is maybe get a very small spray bottle that you can go with to work, okay? Let me try to find mine. 1 second, guys. All right, I found it. Okay, I carry this everywhere, you know, in my bag, and you know, when I'm going to see my boyfriend and all that stuff. So you just put a little bit of the glycerin in here and carry it wherever you're going, so that you can just after eating those foods that leave a stench, you just put in your mouth, spray in your mouth, and gargle, and then spit. Okay, it's okay. You can also move with your toothbrush, so that that food, you know, doesn't cause any buildup of any bacteria, and you just scrape your tongue. As simple as that. I want you guys to come back here and just give me the feedback, because I know you're going to love it. First of all, your mouth is going to instantly smell so amazing right after using this. Oh my god, the whole day, like, mouth is so damn fresh. All right, so guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video was very helpful, and no one wants a stench. It's like that stench in the armpits, right? I told you guys, it's not the sweat that causes that stench, it's the bacteria. All right, there's a video about it that I made, and all you have to do is get some benzoyl peroxide to smear in there, or to wash in there, to kill that bacteria. You might never even need a deo for the rest of your life if you are killing that bacteria off. All right, thank you guys for watching, and have a lovely day. Tomorrow we're going to talk about something even more interesting than this. Bye.